how to render this car. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to render to make the car look realistic. Click on the right hand side, you'll see this box that appears, that has appearance on. So you click on the appearance, you can choose whichever appearance that you like. So if I want organic mud, let's choose polished oak for the car body. And for the base, we do the same material. And for the wheels, we can choose, let's say, plastic or rubber. Actually, we'll go with plastic. Medium gloss, let's go for red. So I could say I want it for the full body for both wheels, and the same thing for the front. I can choose which option that I would like, and there you have your wheels rendered. The dowel, I missed the dowel out, so let's choose metal, polished aluminium, both axles. Now, as you can see, the material's been applied, but it does not look realistic. In order to make it, to see the actual car, we need to go to Render Tools, click on Preview Window. It does take a bit of time, but then a window appears where you can view the car. So that's the way the car is currently. So I can rotate this, I can zoom in, I can click on the spacebar, choose isometric view, zoom into that. I could use my snipping tool, or you can save it, but sometimes quicker and easier just to use a snipper tool to select this, and then you can insert this into PowerPoint or Word, whichever software that you decide to use. Another thing that you could do is, if you click on appearance, if you go down, you've got scenes, so you can choose a different scene. So if you pick on reflective floor, for example, and then use a preview window, because sometimes I'm sure it just gives it a nice background. But sometimes what happens is, say you've got a reflective background and you've got chrome or aluminium, that reflection will show up in the chrome or the aluminium that you use in the shiny material, which makes it look more realistic. This particular one, you can't really see the effect.